Okay, so the first technology I'm going to talk about is called Extracorporeal Magneto-Transduction Therapy, EMTT for short. And this is a picture of the technology here. This technology uses electromagnetic fields to stimulate cellular activity, and it promotes the repair for deep, widespread pain and inflammation. So a lot of times you might have some trigger points where you have specific pinpoint spots, but you might have surrounding tissue or joints and bone that's also involved. And that's pretty common, especially when something becomes chronic. So this technology affects soft tissue, bones, and joints. Anything soft tissue, muscles, ligaments, tendons, fascia.